Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Mazda CX-7 Luxury. Think stock reference number 5631. The shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 2nd month 2012. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight. Left guard has no damage, bonnet has no damage, left power door mirror, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has 3 small dents, left rear door has no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, right-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Both right-hand doors have no damage. Right power door mirror, right guard has 1 small dent, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with tan leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.